How to buy BDOG token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the community on X. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 7 in the Solana section on the screen. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click it up to token address and open your phone to move for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Make sure to select the Solana token here and click here and paste token as in search bar. As you can see, this is our token. So just wait a few seconds to be able to find your token here, as you can see. So I will just delete it and paste it again. So now if you don't find it here in the Phantom wallet, just close it and open your Bitget wallet for that. So I will just log in, show my wallets. Now, first of all, in the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Solana network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called BDOG. After you find it, as you can see, click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can here tap how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive. Now after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BDOG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.